friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make red gravy soyabean curry. So today I am going to roast the masalas first. This I have put jeera, put some black pepper, red chili, I have put red chili, dry red chilies and some dhania. All this masala first I roast it, then I will make it into a paste. I'm going to make this into a paste and I will add ginger, garlic. Friends, to make the red gravy soyabean curry, first of all I will use mustard oil. Once the oil turns hot, I will put this chopped onions. Put some bay leaves, and this is garam masala. This also I will put in. Friends, the onion is turned brown. I have chopped up 3 tomatoes. This I will put in now. I will let the tomatoes also fry up along with the onion. Friends, the tomatoes are almost fried up. Now I will put in the soyabean. I will add some potatoes also. I will put in the salt. Put some turmeric powder. Friends, I have fried up the potato and the soyabean. Now I will put in the masala which I have roasted and made into a paste and added ginger and garlic in it. Friends, I am frying the masala a little bit, not much because it's roasted up. The masalas are roasted. I am adding some Kashmiri mirch powder. It will make the gravy red. Friends, now I will add some water. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, red gravy soyabean curry is ready. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment. The potatoes also are cooked up. Thanks for watching my video.